Hi all, I'm Anthony Webben and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve this list comprehensions. Let's go in. Let's read the question now carefully. You are given three integers x, y, and z representing the dimension of a cuboid. So basically, you know how a cuboid looks, right? Let me just show you how it looks. So basically it has the three shapes, okay, X, Y, and Z. So we have been given three shapes and what they say next is they also give an integer called n, okay? And the possible coordinates, basically the probability of ijk on a 3D grid, whereas I plus jk is not equal to n. So let's try to understand this. They are trying to say that they are giving three integers x, y, and z, 1, 1, and 2. And they have this n value called 3. And they say that the sum of x, y, z will not be equal to 3. Okay? We can see that we have to create, permutations with the help of ijk. Ijk would be the output of XYZ. So we have this input as XYZ. When you are looping it, we usually loop based on IJK. Let's see that one by one. And we have to create these permutations. And the sum should not be equal to 3. If let's see if we have any other clues. So we have to print this in the lexicographic increasing order. That would be the alphabetic increasing order. And we have this permutations. So let's go to Spider and try to understand how this is being executed. So we have this XYZ to be 111, and we are trying to create a list comprehension, which is created like this. So basically, we have to create a list where we have I, J, K, and I would be for I in range of what values we can give as X value. But if we give X, it would be lesser than 1, so we have to give X plus 1. And for I in range of Y plus 1, let's copy and paste the same for Z also. This would be for J, and this would be for K, and this would be for Z. So what this does is, for I in range of this particular value will execute, the first value for I, and the next this comes, and the next K values comes. So let's see how this print value executes. So let's try to execute this, and we see that, the output of this is the permutation of the possibilities, that is the probabilities, I would say. And we have this output. So this is what the expected output. But there is one particular scenario where they say the sum of this all this three should not be the n value, which is equal to, say for example, I have 2. Okay, the sum of this must not be equal to 2. So let's go to our framework here, the IDE here, and let's try to implement the same. We have to give this particular print statement here. So I think we are almost done. And but we have to also include one more condition, which is, if I plus j plus k not equal to n. So this I plus j plus k should not be equal to n. Let's try to run this code once. So hope you have understood what we are trying to do here. It has got successfully executed. So the sum of these three should not be equal to 3. So the possible combination should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and nowhere if you add all this 3 will be 3. See, if you see maximum would be 2 or 4, but not 3 anywhere. So that is the idea, and hope you have understood this question.